Okay.
Okay, so we gonna let start our video. But before that, we start like before. My name is Muhammad Galang Ditando. My NPM is A1B 0 2020 34. So I'm from Indonesia and I'm in majority of uh, English Education Study Program in University of Bengkulu. Can you introduce yourself in English first, please?
Okay. My name is Lala Rin Tongchai. I'm I'm a student of English of Art department, which is in the Faculty of Humanity and Social Science in TRU, or by the way, Thepsatri Rashapat University from Thailand.
Okay, nice to meet you, Lala. Is it right?
Yes, nice to meet you, Galang, right?
Okay, so the first we gonna learn bahasa Indonesia. It's about perkenalan or introduction ourselves. It's not gonna be hard
Okay.
material. It's because it's real easy. So
Perkenalan.
yeah, perkenalan. Yeah, perkenalan.
Okay.
So our goals of this material is mampu untuk memperkenalkan diri dalam bahasa Indonesia dengan baik dan benar secara sederhana. So the first goal is that you can introduce yourself in bahasa Indonesia with the right uh, and the right
Speaking.
voice, right? And then mampu untuk menanyakan identitas orang lain secara sederhana, and you can ask someone identity with Indonesia. And then the third one is mengetahui nama dan bisa menyebutkan benda-benda di sekitar dengan baik. It's like you know the name and you can pronounce anything about the identity.
Okay.
Okay. So, but before we start to our less real material, so there is some different vocab on the alphabet between English and Indonesia. So the first one is A in English, but in Indonesia we say like A,
Ah,
A, yeah,
okay.
okay. The second one is B, but we say it like B,
B.
B,
Okay. A and B.
A and B. And then C, we say like che,
J. It's
che,
like J.
che, no, che. It's lighter than
J.
che.
J.
Yeah,
It's like
che.
CH. Ah,
Yeah,
I see.
ch. And then D in Indonesia, we'll say like de. It's same with
Okay.
B. And then
So it can be applied for like fe, yeah, something like that. No,
mm,
right?
it's like, it's depend on the word. Like in dodol, it's say do, like that. And then,
Oh,
yeah.
I
So
see.
the next one is we say like
A.
A, and then F, it's still F, and
Oh,
then
just F.
yeah, it's still same, and then
Okay.
G, we say like gay,
G.
yeah, for the game,
Okay.
anything like that, and then H, we say like
Ha.
ha,
Okay.
and then I, we say E,
E.
yeah, E, and then J, it's still J,
J.
yeah, and K, A B C D F G H I J K, it's still the
K.
same.
Yeah, K.
And L is same, M is the same, N is same, O same with English, P we still the same with English, Q we are still the same, R we say like
R.
R, yes,
R.
yeah, that's right. S is still the same.
S.
Yeah.
Okay. S.
Sti is still the same, like te.
T.
Yeah. U. It's in Indonesia. U is u.
U.
Yeah. V. It's fe.
V.
Fe. Yeah.
Is it the same sound as F
It's
or just
no. It's a little bit different with F because in F it's F, but in V it's fe.
okay?
Okay. And W is way,
Uwe
way,
or way?
way.
Okay.
X is still the same. Y is ye,
Yeah.
ye. And Z is still Z.
Z.
Okay. Can you repeat the
Yeah.
alphabet in Indonesia?
A.
Yeah.
B.
Yeah.
J.
C.
D. Ch. Okay.
C.
Ch.
Yeah. C.
D.
D.
A.
Yeah.
F.
Yep.
K.
Yeah.
H.
Yep.
E.
U.
J.
Yes.
K.
K.
L. K.
K.
Sorry. K.
That's right.
L.
L.
M.
M.
N.
N.
O.
O.
P or P.
P. P.
P.
P.
Okay. P. Q.
U.
R.
R.
S.
S.
T.
T.
U.
U.
V.
V.
W.
W.
Y. Z.
Yeah. That's right.
Okay.
Okay. Let's move to the next. So our material is introduction ourselves. In Indonesia, we say perkenalan diri. You know,
Per-
perkenalan
Perkenalan
diri.
diri.
Yeah,
Diri.
yeah.
Okay, what does diri mean?
Diri mean ourselves.
Diri,
Yeah,
ourselves.
diri
Like
ourselves.
myself, yourself.
Yeah, but
Uh,
if it myself, it's like diri saya, diriku.
diriku.
Yeah,
And
diriku.
dirimu.
And if dirimu, it's yourself. Yeah, yourself is for
Ah,
dirimu. Mu and
okay.
yeah, it's the different. So the what we gonna say in introduce ourselves in perkenalan diri is the first one is sapaan or greeting. The second one,
Sapaan.
yeah, name or nama. Third one is age or umur. Can you say it? Umur.
Umur.
Umur. The fourth one is the origin or asal.
Asal.
Asal. The fifth is alamat or address. Alamat.
Alamat.
Yep. The sixth is pekerjaan or occupations.
Wait. I have to see
Pekerjaan.
this. Berkerjaan.
Pekerjaan.
Berkerjaan.
Yeah, pekerjaan.
Okay.
The seventh one is, or the last one is hobby.
Hobby.
Yeah,
Okay.
hobby. It's-
Let me take notes
Okay.
for a while. Amur. Umur.
Umur.
Age.
Yes, age.
And tahun, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Umur tahun.
Umur tahun.
Tahun. Origin. Origin. Alamat. Address. Six.
Pekerjaan.
Pekerjaan.
Jaan.
Occupation.
Hobby.
Hobby.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we move to the next slide. It's sapaan. So
Apaan?
yeah, sapaan is greeting in English. So there is two form way to greeting in Indonesia. It's same with English too, like formal and informal. So in the formal way in Indonesia, sapaan is informal way like in English is good and the time condition, right? So
Yeah.
it's same in Indonesia, but good in Indonesia is selamat,
Selamat.
yes, selamat plus waktu. Waktu is time, time conditions.
Waktu.
Yeah, so there is four time condition like morning, afternoon, evening, and night, right? So
Ya,
morning in Indonesia is pagi,
pagi.
pagi. And then afternoon in Indonesia is siang,
Siang.
siang. Evening,
Siang.
ya siang. Evening in Indonesia is sore,
Sore.
sore. And night in Indonesia is malam.
Malam.
So the pattern to formal way in greeting is selamat plus time condition or waktu. So if this time is night, right? So the formal way to say greeting in this time is selamat malam.
Oke, selamat malam.
Selamat malam. Okay. So next. Nah, this is the example like selamat pagi and you can talk to the speaker like pagi because
Pagi.
yeah, it's more shorter than selamat pagi. It's still the same.
Oke.
And then in informal way, we are like yeah, usual like in English too, like hey, hello, like that. And but in Indonesia, because we are have some religion, right? Like
Ya.
five different religions, there is a informal way in Indonesian culture depend on the religion. Like if Muslim with Muslim uh, greeting like Assalamualaikum or anything else. And then if non-Muslim like Christian, it's Salam in Indonesia. Shalom.
Shalom.
Yeah, Shalom. It's still the
Is
same.
shalom or salam?
Shalom.
Oke.
It's Shalom.
Shalom.
If it Hindu or Buddha, it's Om Swastiastu.
Om Swastiastu. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me take notes.
Okay.
Om Swa. Oh, I would take only one because maybe I would have to use this. Om
Yes.
Sawa. Om
Swastiastu.
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 Okay. Siastu.
So it's the third in Indonesian culture is have the same meaning like uh it's uh it's a word for God like that. A good word for God.
Good word for God. You mean Om Swastiastu?
Yeah, no, all of the three. All of three.
Oh,
Yeah, all of
okay.
them. Because it's yeah for the Lord. So like this in informal way, and also in informal way, greetings. Usually there is a chit chat. So the chit chat like how are you, and the answer is I'm good. So how are you? It's mean apa kabarmu? Apa kabarmu?
Apa kabar? Apa
Mu.
kabarmu?
Yeah, how are you is apa kabarmu?
Apa kabarmu? I just heard like apa kabar?
Yeah, apakah yeah it's can you can say like that because it's more shorter, but usually it's apa kabarmu?
Okay, apa
And the answer,
kabar?
yeah, and the answer usually saya baik-baik saja like I'm good
Wait, I can't see that though. Saya baik
saja.
saja.
Yes, it's mean I'm good.
Saya. Can
Baik.
I say like aku?
Yes.
Aku baik-baik saja.
Yes, it's still the same because saya is more formal, but aku is informal, like uh more chill like that. Aku.
Yeah.
Next one is like I said before, the informal way. There is a chit chat like asking about your day, like menanyakan kabar. Example is apa kabar like before, and how was your day? Bagaimana harimu? Bagaimana is how, harimu is your day, and
Wait,
in Indonesian,
ba
hmm?
sorry, sorry. Harimu.
Yes, bagaimana harimu? Mu it's the longer words for the shorter words for kamu, you,
Kamu.
yeah, kamu. And in Indonesian culture, there is some way to chit chat like baik, gitu. Like you're good. It's still the same
Baik.
about how was your day and how are you, but it's more shorter and it's more informal way. And if with the gang, right, with the friends in the gang, it's like apa nih ceritanya? It's like asking about how was your day, how was your day also, but it's more apa? It's more friendly.
Okay.
It's more friendly. So can you
We
say it?
need to use this with friend. Apa nih right?
Okay.
Ceritanya.
Ya, apa nih ceritanya? Like that.
Apa lagi? Apa nih? Apa nih
Apa nih
ceritanya?
ceritanya? Yeah, it's more friendly if you use that on the group chat or the gang. So there is some gesture also when you greet someone, like in Indonesia it's said salim. Salim
Sorry.
is a gesture of showing respect to the elders. So if you want to showing respect to the elders more older than you, so you in Indonesia we use like take our uh more older person hand and we kiss it or take it to the forehead.
Forehead.
Yeah, it's no matter if you a police or another, it shows some respect to the older one. It said salim like
Okay.
this. The student salim the teacher, and the police salim the grandmother.
And it can apply with every religions, right?
No, it's not. It's not a religion. It's not depending on the religion. It's commonly used in Indonesia because it's the habits in Indonesia. So if you are not Muslim, if you are not Christian, if you are not Buddha or Hindu, it's you can use salim as a gesture to showing respect to the other one, like that.
Okay. So all religions.
Yeah, our religions. And we are from junior high school, we are from elementary school. You usually use this before we entering the school. So the teacher is waiting like this in the front of the gate. And if we
Hmm.
want to enter the school gate, we do salim like this.
I see.
And then the other one, there is a this is salim in Islam religions. Like in Islam, we are not supposed to touch our opposite gender friends like that. So we use salim like that. We are just gesturing like hand like that photo, and we bow our head a little.
Okay. I see.
So this is the formal way to salam. This is salam. Salam is different from salim. Salam is more formal, but I cannot find a photo of formal salam in Indonesia, so I use this one. But this is the same like usual in many words use. for the greeting.
Okay, so we supposed to say that, right? If I I do this and bow, I have to say salim or not.
Yeah, it's salim, but
Oh,
with some purpose, like in to opposite gender. If you don't want to be touched or you don't want to touch the opposite, you do that gestures.
okay. So what if like two friends, they're the same gender, probably girl and girl.
Girl and girl. Yeah, you can do that too. Miss example like meet to my two friends in female friends. So if I don't want to touch them, so I will bow to the first one and then bow to the second one like that.
Okay.
So before we enter our next material, there is kata ganti orang. Kata ganti orang is like wait, I forgot about the English uh, word. Oh, personal pronouns for people. So
Mm.
for orang pertama or first person or dan, and if singular first person, it said I, me, and mine. So I is for saya, me is for aku, it's still aku, and mine is ku. It's say about mine like that.
Ya,
Yeah.
kucingku,
Yeah.
asramaku.
Yes, like that. And then if the first person plural, it said we. Yang the meaning is kita or kami. So kita is everyone include like that. Kita is everyone include, and kami
Okay.
is not everyone include like that.
What what do you mean? Not
No,
everyone.
like this. I have some friends like right. If
Yeah.
imagine I have some friends now, and if I say kita, it's mean you include our friends like that. And
Mm.
if I
Okay.
say kami, it's just say me and my friend, not
Not you.
yeah, like that.
Okay.
So the second person and singular is you or your. You is can mean kamu, anda, engkau, engkau. Kamu is kamu, anda, engkau is more formal, and kau is more informal, like that.
Mm.
And your is mu. It's same like my, ku. It's about kepemilikan. Wait, kepemilikan. The ownership, like that. It's say about ownership.
Okay. Anda.
Anda.
But I don't have to remember all, right?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
going to take note for kamu only.
yeah. Yeah. So you, the second person for the plural is you all. It's mean kalian or kamu semua. Kamu semua is more complicated because it's more longer, right, than kalian. So usually people use kalian, not kamu semua.
Kalian.
Yeah, kalian. And then the third person singular is like she, he, it, his, or her. She is dia for female, right? He is ia. It's same. She, he is same like dia, ia, beliau, she's, her. So in Indonesia, we don't have some word for identify the gender. So if we say
Oh,
dia, it's not mean it's not show you that he or she like that. It's mean just dia.
Okay, dia.
Dia.
Ia.
Yeah. And then for the third person plural is them. It's say mereka. Mereka.
Mereka.
Yeah.
Mereka.
Yeah. So this material is depending on the before material. So this is sorry, name. So after you greet someone, you introduce yourself, and the first one to introduce is name, right? Nama. So
Ya.
the pattern is greet plus introduce yourself plus the name is. Jadi greet plus perkenalkan. Perkenalkan is introduce myself, and plus nama saya adalah is my name is, like that. So the example
Okay.
is, if it is informal way, hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Galang Aditando, like that. Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Galang Aditando. In Indonesia, hi, perkenalkan, nama saya Galang Aditando. It say the full name.
Okay.
Can
Hai,
Yes.
perkenalkan.
Yeah,
Nama saya Lalarin.
yeah, like that. Hai, perkenalkan nama saya Lalarin. And then this is the other way to introduce yourself name. Like it's more shorter. Like nama saya adalah. My name is, like that. It's more shorter, but still say the full name about yours name.
Adalah.
Yeah. So the
What is adalah?
is adalah is.
Is.
Yeah, is.
Oh.
So the example like my name is Galang Aditando, nama saya Galang Aditando. It's more short than before. After you say your full name, usually you can say about your nickname, right? Like in Indonesia, it's I usually called. Saya biasa dipanggil. Saya is I, biasa is usually, called is dipanggil. So in Indonesia, saya biasa dipanggil. Nickname. That.
Biasa dipanggil.
Ya, dipanggil.
Nickname.
So the example like I usually called Galang. Example is in Indonesia, saya biasa dipanggil Galang. Can you try it?
Ya. Saya biasa dipanggil Tongcai. No. Lala. Just
Ah,
Lala.
okay. And then if you want to asking for the opposite name of your talk person, it's like in English, it's what is your name, right? But in Indonesia,
Ya.
it's more shorter, like siapa namamu?
Siapa namamu?
Yeah, siapa namamu? Siapa is in the word is like who, but in this context is become what is, what is,
Oh.
what
Okay.
is. Or you can say like what is your if you want to know the nickname of your opposite person, it's say like sering dipanggil apa?
Sering dipanggil apa?
Apa? Yeah. What is your nickname? Like that.
What
Like
is
the
your
example,
nickname?
hi, I am Sainik. Hi, saya Sainik. Lalu, and then we ask for the girl names like siapa namamu? Siapa namamu? What is your name? And the girl say like, saya sering dipanggil Furina. So,
Hmm.
yeah, I uh, usually called Furina, like that.
Wait. Sering.
Usually, also, almost,
Oh,
almost,
sering.
almost. Usually,
Usually.
usually, sering.
Usually,
From
I I usually call
foreigner.
dipanggil. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so before we the next is age, umur. So this is you must know about numbering in Indonesia first. Like one is satu,
Satu,
yes. Two is dua,
dua,
yeah. Third tiga,
tiga,
four empat,
empat,
five is lima,
lima,
six enam,
enam,
seven is tujuh,
tujuh,
eight delapan,
delapan,
nine is sembilan,
sembilan,
ten is sepuluh.
sepuluh.
Nah, and then start from 11 to 19, it's plus belas.
Sebelas,
Yeah, so 11 is sebelas,
sebelas, ya,
12 is dua belas. It's like
dua
because if
belas,
there is number 2 in here, so we are use dua plus belas. Do you know? Like 12, like this, 12, dua. There is numbering number 2, like this,
ya,
number 2. It's just add
dua
belas.
belas,
Yeah, 12. And also to 19,
tiga
right?
belas, empat belas,
13, 14 for 14, 15 is 15, and 19, 19. So that
sembilan
from number
belas,
11 to number 19, there is just adding belas.
sembilan belas. Oke, dua
And
puluh.
yes, start to 12 to 90, it's there is adding just puluh,
Oke,
puluh, but in like this,
dua
21,
puluh dua,
20 plus 1, right? So 21.
21,
Yeah, 22.
dua, 22.
It's
Ya,
talk about 22.
ya,
It's adding puluh and the last number.
I see. I
Okay.
get that.
And then because the Zoom, uh, can you look at the screen?
Uh, wait. Hello,
Hello?
can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can
Okay.
hear you now.
Okay. Or you can see the screen that I share?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, so sorry because the class meeting that it's end not so well because the time in Zoom is up.
Oh,
So
yeah.
you that you want to record this assignment again with me, I really appreciate that. So uh, can we just start or
Yeah, we can start now. Wait, I think I have to, but that's okay. I think I can take notes in words.
okay? So let's start. So the last meeting that we just do the yesterday, it's about age, right? About umur.
Age, umur,
Age,
or
yes. In Indonesia, it's say umur.
okay.
Okay, now uh after you try to pronounce some Indonesia angka, Indonesia numbers, right? Like satu is one, like before. So
Yeah.
This is how to asking someone's age. In Indonesia is berapa umur kamu, and in English is how old are you? Berapa
Berapa
ya,
umur kamu?
berapa umur kamu? Umur is mean age, kamu is you. So the sentences is berapa umur kamu? How old are you? So if someone asks you about your age, the answer in Indonesia is umur saya because I'm 21 years old, so umur saya 21 tahun.
Umur saya
Yes.
22 is 22.
Ya, 22 tahun. So, the other way to answer that question is saya berumur blank 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 tahun. In English is my age is blank 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 years old. It still does have the same meaning, but it's more formal way like that. Saya, I,
So, berumur. Is it like the mix of ber and umur?
yeah, berumur.
Okay, what is ber? Is it
Uh,
like a prefix?
I don't know. Ber is just like additional word, and that doesn't have any special meaning. So it's same like
Mm,
saya berumur blank 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 tahun. So berumur is like uh it's age like it's the same with the first way like that. It's more formal and it's more longer.
Okay,
Okay,
saya
umur
berumur
saya
20
berumur 20
22 tahun.
tahun. Yeah, that's right. So and then after age, you can mention about the origin. So origin is asal,
Asal.
asal, yeah, asal. So the question for to asking someone's origins is where are you from in English, but in Indonesia is dari mana asalmu?
Dari mana
Asalmu. As-
asalmu?
yeah, dari mana is where are you from? Asalmu is the origin you from. Wait a minute.
Ber.
Sorry.
Okay.
Like that. And if you want to answer that questions, you can just say I come from in English, but in Indonesia is saya berasal dari. Like before
Saya
ber and berasal, yeah. So ber here is not have special meaning. It's just
okay.
additional. Yeah. So saya is I, berasal dari is come from. So the sentences is saya berasal dari. And the other way to answer the question about origin, you can say asal saya dari.
Asal saya dari.
Yeah, I origin from. Like the example here, like that, because I'm from Indonesia, so saya berasal dari Indonesia.
Hmm.
Yeah,
So S in this case is like sh, right?
uh,
Indonesia.
yeah, Indonesia.
Okay.
Or the other way is I'm origin from Indonesia is asal saya dari Indonesia.
Okay.
Can you try it?
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Saya berasal dari Thailand.
Yeah, that's right.
Did I pronounce it right?
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
it
you
Thailand?
pronounce it. Yeah, in Indonesia we called Thailand. It's same.
Okay, it's T. It's not the,
Oh,
right?
yeah, Thailand.
Saya berasal dari Thailand.
Thailand. Yeah.
Asal asal
China.
saya dari Thailand.
Yeah, that's right. We move to the next material. It's the before is asal about origin, the national, right? So here is more specific. It's about the address. Address is in Indonesia is alamat. Can you pronounce it?
Alamat.
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 Yeah, that's right. So the question for asking someone alamat or address is di mana alamat kamu?
Di mana alamat kamu?
Yeah, that's right. So to answer that, you have two options to answer that, like my address is or I live in. So for my address is in Indonesia is like alamat saya di blank blank blank.
Hmm.
Or I live in is saya tinggal di like that. So for the example, this I use my real address here in Indonesia. So my address is in Gang Juita 2. Gang is like a street name.
Hmm.
So in Indonesia is alamat saya di Gang Juita 2. Like that. Can you try?
Alamat saya di Gang. I don't know how to. Uh, so I can just add the street, right?
Yeah.
Or should I add the city?
Yeah.
Okay. Alamat saya di Lopburi.
Okay.
Saya tinggal di Lopburi.
Okay. That's good. Good pronunciations. And then now, so the next is about profession or job. In Indonesia, there is this is the common job in Indonesia. So there is a guru. Guru is a teacher, right?
Hmm.
Doctor is doctor in Indonesia.
So the same question.
Yeah, but in Indonesia is dokter.
Dokter.
Ter.
Yeah, dokter.
Yeah, that's right. And then police is policy.
Polisi.
Petani is gardener. Farmer.
Hmm?
Petani is farmer.
Farmer.
Uh, driver is still the same, driver. Pengendara.
I thought that you guys gonna read it driver. Driver.
Yes. And then pilot is still the same, pilot. But in Indonesia, pilot, not pilot.
Pilot.
And yes. And then journalist is wartawan. Reporter.
Water.
Reporter is wartawan. And then chef is koki.
Hockey.
Koki. Yeah, koki. So the next that you should mention in introduction yourself is about occupation or job, pekerjaan. So the common question about asking someone jobs is in English is what is your job, right? So in Indonesia it's mean kamu kerja apa? Kerja here
Kamu
is job. Yeah, kamu kerja apa?
kerja. What is kerja?
Kerja is job, profession.
Okay, the same meaning as
Yeah, that the meaning.
berkejaraan.
Yes,
Jaan.
pekerjaan, but it's the simple way is kerja.
Kerja.
Yeah,
Oh, it's kerja. It's in the middle of
yeah,
pekerjaan. Okay,
kerjaan.
I see.
So to answer that questions, you can say I work as a or my job is. So the first the first uh is I work as a. So saya bekerja sebagai. Saya is I, bekerja is work, and sebagai is as a. Like that. Can you say?
Hmm, saya bekerja sebagai a
Ya,
student,
uh, pardon me?
student, student,
Ya, student. Student is pelajar in Indonesia.
pelajar.
Pelajar, ya. And then the second one is my job is pekerjaan saya yaitu like that. It's still the same with the first. And then this is the example, right? Like saya bekerja sebagai guru. I work as a teacher. But if you are the students, you can say I am a student. Saya adalah pelajar. Like that.
Saya
Adalah.
bekerja. Huh?
No, it's if you have some jobs, you can say like the uh PowerPoint that I share. But if you are the like student, so you can say I am a student, right? In English. So in Indonesia is aku adalah pelajar, like that.
Adalah.
Ya,
Wait,
pelajar.
saya adalah
Ya,
adalah
ya,
pelajar.
pelajar. Yes.
Pelajar.
Jar,
Oh,
ya,
pelajar.
pelajar. Okay, we move.
Okay.
So the last thing that you should mention in the introduction yourself is about hobby. In Indonesia, it's still the same hobby. So how to asking someone hobby is what is your hobby, right? In English. So in Indonesia, it's more simple like apa hobimu?
Apa hobimu?
Yeah. Apa is what and hobby is hobby and mu is your, like that. More simple than you, kamu. And then to answer the question is like I like to. Saya suka melakukan. Or my hobby is. Hobi saya adalah.
Hobi saya adalah
Yeah. So the example is hobby in Indonesia. So this is example of some hobby in Indonesia, right? Like drawing is menggambar. And then
menggambar,
yes, menggambar. And then reading is membaca.
hmm, membaca,
Watching movie is menonton film.
menonton film,
Film, yes. Bermain is like playing a game.
bermain,
Yeah, bermain is playing a game. Studying is belajar.
belajar,
Yeah, and singing is bernyanyi.
ber, bernyanyi,
Yeah, bernyanyi.
bernyanyi.
Yeah, bernyanyi. So that's some hobby in Indonesia, right? So wait, why can I? Sorry, because my lagi internet. Wait, I want to change my Wi-Fi first.
Okay.
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 So this is the example of saying your hobby is in Indonesia. Like the first one is I like to drawing. Drawing tadi adalah drawing before is menggambar, right? So in Indonesia, I like to drawing is saya suka menggambar. Melakukan here you can just not mention it. You can just not to saying it because it's too long. So you can say just saya suka menggambar.
Saya
Like that.
suka menggambar dan bermain.
Yeah, and this the second way to say it. My hobby is drawing. Hobi saya adalah menggambar.
Hobi saya adalah
Menggambar. And then the last is closing or penutup. Closing is penutup in Indonesia. How to say it like terima kasih or makasih. It's just say thank you and thanks. And to respond it is just like terima kasih juga or sama-sama. It's have yes, it's have the same meaning like it's okay or terima kasih juga.
you're welcome.
Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, sorry. Thank you for reminding me. So that's just the closing the introduction.
Okay.
Halo, selamat siang.
Oops. So Awa,
Halo, selamat
uh,
siang. Perkenalkan nama saya
no.
Sinik Well.
Ah,
Saya berumur 21.
this is the example of introduction I just found. So
Halo, selamat
you can
siang.
hear first.
Perkenalkan nama saya Sinik Well. Saya berumur 21 tahun. Saya berasal dari Germany. Alamat saya di Munich. Pekerjaan saya sekarang adalah pesepak bola di tim Bayern Munchen. Hobi saya adalah bermain game serta menggambar sketsa. Senang bertemu dengan Anda.
Okay, that's is it clear or is just too fast?
I mean, I can hear him clearly, but I just don't, I just don't remember all the things. Just like
Yes.
perkenalkan.
Oh yeah.
Oh, let me introduce myself, right?
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken. Okay.
This
So
is
should I create this?
no.
Halo, selamat
The
malam.
wait. The next is the wait. Oh my God, I can. Nah. So it's your turn to introduce yourself in Indonesia full text, but I help you with the text so you can just say the blank word like that.
Okay.
Okay. Can you say it?
Ya.
Okay.
Halo, selamat malam.
Iya, selamat malam.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Lala.
Iya.
Saya berumur. Is this nickname?
No, age.
Age. Saya berumur
Ya.
22
Iya.
tahun dan berasal dari Thailand.
Origin. Yeah, that's right.
Thailand. Alamat saya di Lopburi.
Iya.
Pekerjaan saya sekarang adalah I just forgot this one.
Occupation.
Belajar.
Pelajar.
Biasa,
It's using P. Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is I am again?
Saya adalah.
Saya adalah belajar.
Yeah, that's right.
Hobi saya adalah menggambar dan bermain. Senang bertemu dengan sorry, dengan Anda. Terima kasih.
Yeah, that's very correct. So, that's the end of our material today. So you are very good learners. You are very quick learners that you can pronounce 80% in Indonesia word is right pronunciation, because maybe it's because Thailand and Indonesia it's still in the same area, right? So the pronunciation of the alphabet it's not so different.
Yeah, not very different. But something that is quite struggle for me is the R, because It's actually exists in Thai, but we don't usually say that. We don't usually say ar. We just say ar. Or maybe we just replace it with L.
Oh, that's new information for me. So, um, I'm really uh sorry for disturbing your time or your uh rest time, right? For the back 3 days ago. So, and I would like to
You're
say
welcome.
really thank you for helping me to finish my assignment. And it's really nice to meet and talk to you. Thank you.
Okay, nice to meet you too, Galang.
So,
Okay,
I think that's all. Thank you once again. Bye.
goodbye. Thank you so much.
Thank
I've
you.
learned a lot of things.